Hi everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get the notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate percentage and then determine based on that percentage if a student passed or failed. Let's get started with the video. So in this table, we have the first column that are the name of the students, then the marks or the points they got on the exam or the test or in the class. And the column C, we have the total points that were available to take, and then the percentage column, which will be getting percentage of what the percentage a student got. And then at the end, we'll be finding out if the student passed the class or passed the exam or failed. So let's get started. To find the percentage, we'll just use equal, C equal B2. First, we'll just use a parenthesis. So B2 divided by C2, close parenthesis, star, and multiply by 100. And then hit tab. Okay, this is the percentage we got. But this seems to be a very long percentage. We can round this to a 2 number after the decimal points. So we'll use the round formula, then parentheses, and then comma after the 100, 2, and then parentheses again, and then hit tab. So now it is giving us 2 number after the decimal point. So this was for the first row. Now to do it for all the rows, it's just pretty easy. You just drop it like this, and it will calculate, it will do the math for all of them. Now we want to find out if the student passed or failed the exam. To do this, we'll just use equal, if formula. Now we have to add the condition. So what is our condition test? So here, our students, if their percentage is more than 70, then they pass the exam. If the percentage is less than 70, then they fail the exam or class. So let's add that to our logic. So we'll do D2 is greater than equal to 70. If that condition is true, then the student passed the exam. We'll just add pass here, then comma. So if that condition is false, we'll just put here fails or fail. We'll just put fail. And then close parentheses. And then we'll hit tab. So here, this student 1 got 86, which is more than 70. It says pass. Now to do that for all of the students, we'll just drag and drop it like this. So it will calculate and do the math for all of them. So student who got more than 70, it will pass, and this student got less than 70, it says fail. This student also got less than 70, he or she failed the class. And all of the other students, they pass because their score is more than 70. This is it for this video. Please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon. Please write in the comment if you have any suggestions or recommendations that you would like me to cover. Thank you for watching.